Video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into ClickUp, part of our ClickUp tips and tricks series. Whether you're transitioning data from another tool or updating your existing tasks, importing via CSV can save you a significant amount of time and streamline your workflow. Let's go through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com, the hub where all your task management happens. Once there, locate the login button at the top right corner and click on it. If you're already a ClickUp user, this should be quick and straightforward. Next, you'll see multiple sign-in options. For simplicity, click on Sign In with Google, especially if your ClickUp account is linked to your Google account. This ensures a seamless experience, particularly if you use other Google services. After signing in, select the specific Google account associated with your ClickUp profile. Choosing the correct account ensures you're accessing the right workspace and keeping all your tasks and data in one place. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your ClickUp dashboard. From here, navigate to your profile section in the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will reveal several options, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on settings inside the settings panel. Look for the import and export section. This section houses all the essential tools you need to bring data into ClickUp efficiently. Next, click on Start Import, which will open a new set of options for importing files. Here, choose any spreadsheet, allowing ClickUp to transition your data from a CSV file directly into the system. Before proceeding, make sure your CSV file is well organized with clear headers and properly formatted data. Spreadsheet beforehand helps prevent errors during the import process and ensures your tasks appear correctly in ClickUp. Once you've verified your file, upload it, and ClickUp will integrate the data into your workspace, neatly organizing your tasks under the appropriate lists or projects for managing large data sets and keeping all your work synchronized in one place. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into ClickUp, saving time and boosting productivity. Thanks for joining me today as we demystified this process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest tips and tricks. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.